Hello, 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 hello. Good afternoon, everyone. We are 31st of August 2024, currently 12:22 p.m. in the UK. This is episode 7 of the 51362 EMA strategy, and what a week it has been. Absolutely crazy week again using this strategy. Massive swings, massive amount of pips were caught. Everything was shared in a telegram, and I'm going to dive straight into this one. So we're looking at Bitcoin, and I put this in the telegram that I was looking to short this. Reason being was because we are selling high. I had the whole flip. We had imbalance to be filled as a target. And let me just put this magnet on. So we have imbalance here to be filled. And we also have imbalance here to be filled as a second target. So put it in the Telegram chat that looking for Bitcoin sells. There's the two zones marked right there. And then unfortunately, going back to the previous videos, I can't use the bar replay. So I thought for this example, I'm just gonna drag the chart along like this. So price did go higher, and then price started to drop down, which was great, which is what we was looking for. And then it started filling the imbalance, and then from here the TP1 was hit. First imbalance has been filled. So if we go to the next screen, as you can see here, the first TP was hit. Going back to trading view, TP2 is the 62 EMA as well as the imbalance fill here. So if we just move this along like so, and then as you can see, TP2 was hit, imbalance was filled. I put that I was gonna hold this trade for longer because that's what I do when I twin trade. I have my TP1 set. As soon as that's hit, I've got another trade on, and I just try and hold as long as possible and put that TP2 hit, second imbalance fill, holding longer. And then this just completely tanked. Also, going back, actually, apologies, we also had the 513 EMA crossover right up here. So had my alert go off for the whole flip, and then the alert went off for the 513 EMA crossover. So could have sold here. This is the safer entry here. This was quite risky because price could keep going higher, but I was a little bit confident that price was going to drop lower. So just a note on that this is the safer entry, and you could have got another entry there. And then price just kept on tanking down, and then we had the price or pullback happened, and then the alert did actually go off for the 13 EMA crossover, so you could have gone in for a sell here because we're under the 62 EMA. However, I missed this one. I didn't take that one. Price on kept on going lower, and then I did take this sell here. So price come up. It's gone through the 13 EMA, so my alert went off. So I went in for a sell, and then price as a TP1, I would have price to take out this low here, which it did. So it slammed through that low there, and then that TP was hit. So that was a really good end to the week. This was my last post, actually. Nice finish off on a very good week in the markets. 13 EMA crossover short on Bitcoin. So as you can see, price has hit that 13 EMA, and then I've gone in for a sell. So Bitcoin was a crazy trade. I think that was like 5,200 pips caught on Bitcoin. So really happy with that trade. Moving on to gold. Let's just dive into gold. Okay, so gold. I sold gold before it hit the 62 EMA. So sold around here because we had the 5 and the 13 EMA crossover. So I sold there. Take profit 1 was around there. That actually got hit. And then TP2, or if I hold it as long as possible, is the 62 EMA. This gold is actually really respecting and reacting off the 62 EMA. Can you see how for the past week or so, prices slammed down, gone through the 62 EMA, and then completely reversed? So could have caught the buyer there. Price has come down again, it slammed the 62 EMA, and then it's reversed off it. Like, these are like great buy opportunities. Like, look at this one here. Price has slammed down. It's took these guys out, slammed down, liquidity grab, tapped, gone through the 62 EMA, and then completely reversed. Like, gold is really respecting the Fibonacci levels. It's gonna, right? It's the Fibonacci levels, but not all market conditions are always going to respect it, but more than likely is because it's just the Fibonacci levels and it's just how the market is designed. Anyhow, coming back to this, the take profit was smashed on this. Could have gone for a buy. I believe I did actually catch the buy. Yes, I did catch the buy on this, and then price again has had the 513 EMA crossover. I didn't actually go in for a sell here because it was Friday and I don't really like to hold the trades over the weekend. However, it could have been caught. I could have made some more money on this trade. So just a heads up that this did happen again. The confirmations for another short on gold. So gold's really good. EU was another crazy trade. Let's just dive straight into EU. As you can notice, these are kind of like the markets that I'm just focusing on at the moment. We'll be looking at other markets, more forex pairs and all that kind of stuff, but when you look at just a certain amount of pairs, then you're more than likely to do well rather than look at loads. Like, it does work, but that's for more the advanced experienced traders. Do what works for you, you know. So as you can see with EU, I sold EU when we had the 5 and the 13 EMA crossover. And I'm going to be honest with you, there is a slight delay with the 513 EMA crossover getting the alert, because when this crosses over, price might be, say, here. So you can't really get in here. It all depends how volatile the market is. Like, if it's slow moving and your alert goes off, you could get in here. But if the market is fast moving, volatile, there's market news, it moves faster than normal, the price could be here, but alert's gone off up here. So when you short, if you was to short straight away, you're getting in the market here. Yes, you could wait potentially for the market to come back up. However, I tend to just short or buy as soon as the trading criteria is met. So, and it all depends how fast you are to react. So for example, like I mentioned, I don't stare at the charts. I'm always out and about most of the time. So my alerts are going off on my phone. And when I see EU has had a 513 EMA crossover, I look at the chart and I decide whether I want to get in the chart or not, get in the trade or not. And then if I do, there's obviously been a slight delay of me looking at my phone, deciding whether I want to get in the trade. I have to put, where do I put my stop loss? Where am I going to put my take profit? So you have to take all that into considerations. And the more you do this, the quicker you will get at this strategy. But I actually sold around here. So if we go back to here, I sold around, I think it was around here. Now let's have a quick look. Yeah, so it's around here. So sold. TP1 is the 62 EMA. So TP1 was around there. And then, like I mentioned, TP2 or the second trade is just hold as long as possible. But this had another beautiful pullback. And as you can see, the 13 EMA price actually crossed through the 13 EMA. So that was another opportunity to short right here, like that. So you could have sold there. I believe I did short there. So I short twice. No, so I'm in 3 trades now. This one here, 2 trades. Price come back up to here. That went off, short again. Price is tanking, smashed through the 62 EMA. So TP1 was hit. Price come back up, didn't quite hit the 62 EMA or the 13. However, price just carried on going down. So crazy amount of pips were caught. Pretty much nearly, I'd say 100 pips was caught on that trade. So EU was a beautiful, beautiful trade. And did I get in any other trades? Bitcoin, US 30, I might have done. US 30 wasn't really playing games. So let's just have a quick look with US 30. So we did have the 5 and the 13 EMA. This was very volatile. However, it didn't quite hit the 62 EMA, unfortunately. So that would have been a great buy to get in there. So I think I did catch the sell here because we had the crossover. Made a bit of money. I think I was break even, and yeah, I didn't catch the buy there, but that would have been a great trade to get in nonetheless. So US 30 wasn't really playing this week, but the other trades caught were absolutely crazy. All documented in Trademasters. So Trademasters is a free Telegram group channel that you can join. And just wrapping up now, I do have FP Markets as my broker. So if you did want to trade things like indices and US 30 on the micro and mini lots rather than the normal standard lots that the other brokers use, you can trade with FP Markets. TradingView, I'm also an affiliate partner. So if you're looking to get the 20 alerts with TradingView, then my affiliate link is in the description. From what I can see, the 20 alerts that you get with TradingView with this strategy is the absolute best thing out there. You do not have to stare at the charts. You can set multiple alerts on your TradingView and it literally notifies you instantly when those alerts are hit. And as you can see from the trades that I'm catching, that is all because of my alerts going off to my phone. So if you're looking for the 20 alerts, feel free to sign up with my affiliate link. And also, just finishing up, I do post the stock market news, or should I say financial market news for the week in the description. This is normally posted on the Monday. However, if there's like a bank holiday on a Monday, it will be posted on a Tuesday. So for example, just going back to the last episode 6, if you go to the description, you'll see what's happening on the Monday, what's happening on the Tuesday, what's happening on the Wednesday, what's happening on the Thursday, and then what's happening on the Friday. Okay, and just to finish off with the market news for the next week. So let's just go straight to Forex Factory calendar, and then so we want to see what's going on for the Monday the 2nd to Friday the 6th. Concentrating only really on the red folder news. So Tuesday, there's a red folder news on Tuesday, United States dollar, ISM manufacturing PMI. We'll see what happens there. Wednesday, we have something at 3 p.m. for the United States dollar, job openings. Thursday, non-farm employment change. That's at 1:15 UK time, so that might really move the markets. Again, unemployment claims, that's at 1:30 p.m. And then also there's this ISM services PMI. And then Friday, we have some more unemployment stuff at 1:30 p.m. So this can move the markets as well. So again, another week to look forward to. Should be some big swings happening, and I'll post the news events as soon as I get them on the Monday. Absolutely loving this strategy, catching some crazy pips and crazy moves, all documented. And I'm going to be doing this weekly video on a week by week, month by month basis, posting all the trades in the Trade Masters group. So Blair, please consider subscribing, really helps the channel grow, really appreciate that. And if you wanted to sign up with any of those other promotions, then feel free to do so. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.